Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be an exciting day for me. Basically, I'm looking forward to install that Bad Boys TTS steering wheel. Obviously, this is my first time doing DIY, and yeah, hopefully, I can get it right and enjoy the new steering wheel. Um, so obviously, we're going through the steps and procedures to do that. So the first thing I've done is I disconnected the battery. I just unplug the minus one. Give it 10 minutes. Make sure everything is drained. Nothing playing up inside the car. And then yeah, I've got two tools to use. I've got the first one is Torque T30, I believe, which is located on the back of the steering wheel. So you got one down here, where you can see my hands, another one here down here. So after that, obviously the airbag will come out, and I got another bolt in the middle of the steering wheel, and I believe is M12. So yeah, sorry, just to show you. So that got the Torque T27, and I've got a M12 for the middle bolt. So yeah, let's crack on with it, and yeah, hopefully I'm doing a good job. Wish me luck. Catch you later.